Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication. Which elevate your workflow. Let's dive in. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. So, first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into Miro.com, and you will find this page as you can see. So what is Miro? Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, templates, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. So Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So you have just to click over sign up for free and you will find this page. So here we have we recommend using work email. It keeps work and life separate. So you have to write your email address and click over continue with email. We have also other option which is Google, Microsoft, and Slack. Once you do that, you will find this page and you have to get your confirmation and your Gmail, and then you will get started and you will find your account. So here is my account. So it's Ziza shop, as you can see. This is the name that of the team, and we have here also other options like recent, start, and home. So also we have here unlock Miro superpowers, bring ideas to life with unlimited boards, guest access, and over than 2500 diagramming. So here we have the boards in the team. The first one we have blank board, flowchart, mind map, Kanban framework. Then we have here quick retrospective and tools and templates, and we have Kanban framework. In the explore templates, we have here various niches. You can choose the one you want. For example, here we have recent, Metaverse, and you choose all or icebreakers. We have building blocks like we have sticky notes, mind maps, tables, and slides. So you choose the one you want. Then we have it by use case such as meetings and workshops. So choose here sticky note or mind map and tables and slides also. Then we have edition and brainstorming. This one you can just choose the one you want. And here we have also research and design, as you can see. And we have also agile workflows, and we have also here roadmaps, planning, daily stand-ups, and we have retrospectives. Then we have strategy and planning, diagramming and mapping, and we have here in the diagramming and mapping, we have flow charts and processes, network and cloud, org charts, software and databases, and we have mind maps. Then we have your presentations and slides. You have presentations here and slides, so you choose the niche you want and then you get started with it. So this is how it works. Right now let's just click over here and you will find this one. But before, we have also here, if you want flowchart, mind map, and Kanban framework, quick retrospective, and relevant template. So we choose the one you want or the one you are interested with it. So I will just click over blank board and I will show you how you can do that. So the first step that you have to do is just add a title. For example, I will add here test, for example. And the right we have here board, for example. If you want to click of a new board and if you want to make a copy, export, move to address space, then we have start this board, delete, background color, then we have start view, history detail, and details. Then we have here edit, we have here endo, redo, commands, find also. Then we have here view, like here we have grid, collaborator, cursor, and we have here commands on the board, and we have here scroll bars, object dimensions, endo, redo, controls, enter full screen also. Then we have your preference like mouse or trackpad. We have align object, reduce motion, and other things. Then we have a center interactive display. Then here we have in the left, select the thumbnail you want. For example, if you want this one, or if you want this one. Then here we have when I come back to the home page. Also we have here other options like here we have for today. If you want to also here got a board, import, export in place, and export Miro first. And this is it. And alright, here we have also facilitations, tools and reaction, then activity here, as you can see. So we have here recordings, comments, and we have here team and board. And in the facilitation, we have here private mode, note, timer, and voting. About voting, we have here like that. Timer, we have also this one. And we have note here, for example, to-do list, meeting agenda, project summary, workshop notes, and we have board annotation. Then we have a private mode, for example, keep your sticky notes private while you work on your ideas. Only you can see and edit them until the big reveal. Then we have here templates, for example. So you choose the template that you want, and you have here sticky notes. For example, you choose this one and you put it here like that, and you just modify it if you want to switch type. If you want a font style, for example, here the size, and we have here font style, alignment, and we have insert link. Then we have here the size of the sticker size, for example, if you want this one, and if you want this one, or if you want this one large. So I'll select the first one. Then the color, here we have it, and we have other options. And also here we have if we want to create with EA. So for example, if you want to here firstly sticky notes, for example, ideas, user stories, pain points, and we have how might we. Then we have your documents such as ideas, user stories, pain points, and we have how might we. Then we have your image, diagram like flow chart, mind map, your diagram, UML sequence, and we have UML class. And the image we have illustration, flat design, low poly, comic, and 3D render. And then we have your document also, as you can see. Then we have also here text. If you want to add text, you can choose also here just the size, the top, the font style, and we have the alignment and add list if you want. For example, I will add this one or this one or this one. Then we have here text color, highlight text, search color and opacity, comment, and we have here log, Miro.ea, and we have here more. Then we have here if you want to shapes on the lines. For example, I will just select this one. So you can just for the down or for the top, and this selects also the color, and here we have it. Then we have here note, to-do list, meeting agenda, project summary, workshop notes, board annotation. Then we have also here tools, media, and alignment. For example, here we have tools. You can just here choose highlighter, frame, stickers, and emoji, comment, and we have marketplace also, as you can see. And the last option, which is Riddle, Endo, and Riddle, as you can see if I want to come back. And this is how it works, as you can see. So this is how it works with Miro. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.